like that. I don't like that. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Cateyeglamour, our little hangout where we can be the most glamorous versions of ourselves. If you are new here, my name is Marilyn and I'm bringing you all things beauty, fashion, glamour, lifestyle, all that. I'll wait on you to go ahead and subscribe. So y'all, I did another video on the couch and I feel like this is really cozy. Since this is a favorites video, we're just talking about products I like, so I figured I'll bring it back to the couch, okay? I actually have on some, it's kind of like pajamas. I don't know if any of you guys watch my Shein pajama haul. There was this one pajama that I refused to try on because it's a romper, but it's ill-fitted. Girl, I cut right in the crotch, made it a shirt, and put on some little shorts with it. So I'm actually, this is a late night video, okay? I'm gonna get ready for bed after I'm done with this. So I figured let's go on the couch and get cute and cozy, you know? I kind of like this setup. So let's get into the favorites. Okay, now if this is your first time watching one of my favorites, what I normally do is I do my favorite like skincare, I do fragrance, I have a little bit of makeup, and I always do my 3 favorite comments from my subbies. That's actually my favorite part of the video, so we definitely want to go ahead and try to get into it so I can get into my favorite part. Okay, I like to read those comments so much. Okay, so the first item that I have on my list, this is from Timeneroli. I don't know if you guys remember, I did a huge haul where they sent me a lot of items, and I was so appreciative of that. And I really genuinely love their products. I have this Neroli Soul body lotion that I absolutely love. It's actually almost finished. It has the most prettiest calming scent. When I associate anything when it comes to Times, the word calm is always going to come to mind when it comes to that particular company. So this is their Neroli Soul collection. I have a cologne spray and I also have this lotion, and it was a hand cream that I also have in this same fragrance, and I love their products. They are like a vegan, all natural company, so you know we definitely want to start getting into that. There's no harsh chemicals or anything in their products, and I love it. And all their products smell amazing, very calm, extremely relaxing, and that's my vibe. If you've been here for a couple months, you probably already know that. Okay, now the next product that we have up, you guys always see this in my nail videos, and this is the Tree Hut Scrub. You can see this one is empty. This is Exotic Bloom. This smells so good. I don't know. I don't even have to open it. I know what it smells like, but you know how I do. This smells so good, so good. I always do a hand scrub before my put my press-ons on, just to just for the experience. I want my nails and my hands to look good, not just my nails. If you know what I'm saying. I don't want crusty, rusty, nasty hands when my nails look perfect. You gotta make sure the skin is perfect too. So everything looks in line and it just makes sense. And it looks like I actually went to a salon, because when we wear press-on nails, we are, we're really trying to scam people. We're really trying to make people think we went to the shop and got it done and got acrylic set, got a manicure and all that. No, I sat on my kitchen counter with my bra off, not my kitchen counter, my dining room table with my bra off, and did my own nails in the comfort of my own home. Now that is a vibe. Get your nail done and it doesn't require you wearing a bra. Now this next item is a fragrance. I recently purchased it. I mentioned this in my recent it's a perfume haul, and they were blind buys. And this is the, let me just show you how it looks here. It's the Giorgio Armani fragrance, and it's called Acqua di Gioia. I don't know. But I know it smells good as hell. It's such a fresh scent. It's a very fresh out of the shower, sort of zesty, clean fragrance, and I love this. I already put some on because I literally just got out of the shower, because like I said, I'm gonna go to sleep after this, but I'll spray it again because you know how I do. You know how I do. I love this. This should be on your list. Girl, the holidays is coming up. Maybe you can buy it for yourself. Maybe you can buy it for somebody else. But this is a great, clean, fresh, simple scent. I love this. It's my favorite. Favorite. Okay, so the next item falls in the category of skincare, and this is a pure clean facial mask. I have a few different ones. I get them from Walgreens. They're literally 3 for $4. Super cheap, very affordable, and I love to buy these. It's just something about seeing these little knickknacks and stuff, like on your way to the register, you just see these little things and you're like, oh, 3 for $4, let me grab them. Let me grab a few, because it's very inexpensive and they feel great on the skin, and I love them. So I always get them. I also get the sheet masks at Walgreens. Those are really good buys. They're very affordable, and it's like, why not, girl? What do you have to lose? So this is great for you to stock up on for self-care Sunday, or whatever days you do your, you know, sort of self-care, self-pampering. 3 for $4. 3 for $2. This is a loose change cheap. 3 for $4. Why not? Why not? Okay, so the next item is kind of skincare, kind of makeup. This has been on my list, I think, 2 different months. 2 different months I've talked about this, but I use it and I love it, and I'm telling you again, it's still my favorite, and that is this primer. It's by Neutrogena. It's called the Rice Protein Primer. So it's kind of it's a matte primer, and it helps control oil, but it gives you like the smoothest glow. It's also a serum, so it does help with the skincare part of it, but it gives you the best glow, and it does help control oil. It's definitely not going to keep the oil away, but it does minimize it, which is, you know, the whole purpose of it. So I love this, and I like the way my makeup performs over it. So I like the canvas that it creates for the makeup. So I love this, and it's on my list. Should be on yours. This is another drugstore item. Walgreens, CVS, Target. It's Neutrogena, so you can find it almost anywhere. It's very accessible. So don't say I never spill no tea. Alright, so the next item is not really makeup. It's used when I'm doing my makeup, but it's not makeup, it's not skincare. But it is this. It's my custom mirror by Boss of Bling on Instagram. Like I told y'all, that's a really close friend of mine, and she can bling out anything, but she does these mirrors, and they're so cute. So cute. I am going to link everything below, guys, so you'll have the link to her Instagram in case you want to check her out. This is custom made. I did not give her any direction on how to decorate mine, but you know, she knows me personally, so of course she's going to know what to do, what not to do. It does open up. This is the mirror here, and this mirror lights up. Let me just click it so you guys can see. So this mirror lights up. I don't want to blind you, but the mirror lights up, as you can see here, and it's fairly big. So this is a really cute mirror. I love this mirror so much. It's so girly. Ooh. If you know what's good, you're gonna get this. Maybe you can get it for someone else, because the holidays is coming up. And because it's custom made, it's just so, I don't know, it's just so nice, because not everyone's mirror is gonna look exactly like this. And I like that part of it. It's a custom made mirror, and it's cute. It's bomb. Look at it. Oh. Hey y'all, next on my list are lashes. You know how much I love lashes, and you know how much I love lashes from Promise Mix. I am a brand ambassador for Promise Mix. I recently got some new lashes from her, and girl, there is some lashes called Lifetime. I'm about to show you right now. They come in this box here. This box is one called Sunday, which is so pretty. Let me show you that one. I haven't worn that one yet, so it didn't make it to the list yet, but this is called Sunday. Look how pretty this is. And they come in that glass, it's an acrylic box that it's packaged in. But let me show you the one that I'm feeling right now, because I've worn these, and it's called Lifetime. So these are them. Look how pretty and wispy these lashes are. Please stop playing and grab you some Promise Mix. Look at this. I love these lashes so damn much. Next up on my list are some lipsticks that I have been loving, and I love to combine these two lipsticks. I recently did a video on Juvia's Place's matte lipstick collection, so I have a video on that if you want to go ahead and check it out. but these two from the collection are my favorite, and I love to combine them. The color that I have is Cocoa as well as Me. So just show you here, Cocoa is the darker one, Me is the nudie one. All right, now you gonna come up. All right, here we are. So I use this as like a lip liner, and then I put this on the inside, kind of like an ombre lip, but it comes out so pretty, so gorgeous. Cocoa looks so pretty by itself. Oh my God, that's my favorite one. You know, fall is here pretty much, and a lot of darker colors are going to be coming in, so I know I'm going to really be wearing this one out. I'm really going to be wearing this one out. I need to do a tutorial, like a soft glam with a dark lip. That might be a good one. That might be a good one. I haven't done a makeup tutorial in a while. I need to get on that. I need to get on it. But these made it to my favorites, and I absolutely love them. You can check out my full video of me demonstrating these and doing different combos, so check that out. Let's move on to the next makeup item. And now the next item is a gloss, and I'm so mad. I did a whole gloss video and totally forgot about this gloss. It wasn't even included when it should have been, and this is by Milani. It's a lip plumper gloss. The name of this is Luscious, I think. No, I'm sorry, Luminoso. And I really love this. It's just an everyday gloss. It's actually what I have on now. And this is it here. It's just an everyday color. It has little gold shimmers in it, and it is a lip plumper, so it has that tingling effect in it, and I love it. It's an everyday gloss. That's what I have on right now. You can wear it to the grocery store, just like a regular lip gloss. I like this as an everyday gloss, and I like the packaging. I like how big the wand is. Let me show you guys that. Look how big this wand is. I really like that. Okay. So this is a really, really pretty gloss, and I love lip plumpers because it makes your lips look smooth and just, you know, real Krispy Kreme Dunkin' Donut-ish, you know? Yeah, you know what I'm talking about, girl. You know. I have an item that made it to my favorites before, but that's just to let you know, I absolutely love this, and I wear it all the time. When I do my makeup, I always have it on, and this is the Makeup Revolution Dark Bronzer. Here it is here. So big. Like, I love this. It has like the rose gold packaging that I love. It's really big. It's also scented. It has a nice berry scent to it, and I really love this. This is a great item, and it's so affordable. I think it's $12 for $12. It's $12. They do have a two for something on Ulta. Check the link, and hopefully it's still on sale, but I'll have everything linked below. But on Ulta, the last time I checked, they had these on sale, 2 for something another. I don't know. But either way, even not on sale, it's great. It's $12, and it's really big. It's really big, and it's great. It makes me look so glowy. It's a perfect shade of reddish brown, so it bronzes. It doesn't contour, it bronzes so pretty and gives you a nice, you know, extra little sun-kissed glow, and I love this product. So it made it to my favorites again. Okay, so the next makeup item that I have is by Wet n Wild. It's their Hello Halo blush lighter. So it's a blush slash highlighter, but on me, they both look like highlighters. So here it is here. It has like a dual package type of thing going on. So it has this rose gold here and this pinky gold. The name of this one is called Flash Me. I don't know how I forgot that. It's called Flash Me. And this is it here. Let me just try to swatch 1, 2, and I'm gonna put it on my hand. This has made it to my favorites before, I believe. I'm not sure, but do you see that? See how pretty this? I love this one. It looks so pretty on my skin. This is a great highlight. Great, it's perfect, and it's so affordable. It's by Wet n Wild. Wet n Wild has some of the nicest highlights for so cheap. They stand right beside the high-end ones. Those $30 highlighters, $18 highlighters, it stands right beside it for all of what, $4 or $5. No, I think it's more than that. I think it's like $6, $7, but you know, still cheap and absolutely worth it. This is at any drugstore. It's very accessible. CVS, Walgreens, Target, wherever, like any kind of drugstore has this. Online, Wet n Wild, get you some. Stop playing. Get you some. When you're in Walgreens and you're trying to pick up that pregnancy test, ask them if they have this on the cosmetic aisle, okay? So now it's time for my favorite part, and this is my 3 favorite comment from my subscribers. So girl, let's just get right into it. When I go over the comments, I'll have the actual comment on the screen for you so you guys can kind of read along. I love this part. If you can't tell by my face, I love this part. So let's just go ahead and start because I've been waiting on this. Okay, so the first one is from Life as Tiandra, or Tiandra. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but if I am, sorry about that. Definitely correct me in the comments. And the comment says, congratulations on 1K. When I looked up and you had 999 subs, I had to go ahead and sub. Thank you so much. She is my 1,000th subscriber. She got me to the point where my channel can be monetized. She got me to the point, I mean, along with everyone else, because there was 999 people before her, but she got me to that point. And she even sent me, she went on Instagram and sent me a private message, which was so nice, so thoughtful, and you know, I appreciate that. So of course I already had her in my head for the August favorites because, you know, she was really, you know, she was looking out. She was looking out. She seen that $9.99 and was like, no man, we can't do $9.99. We need 1,000. And thank you so much. Thank you so much. So the next comment, now this comment really had me hyped. I think I was in bed when I got this comment. I was like, yes girl, let them know. Say it louder for the people in the back. Anyway, this is from Brittany Robinson, and it says, first off, you are so cute. Girl, thanks. And it says, new subby here, but sis, where are your followers at? What's wrong with them? They watching your videos and not subscribing? Like 100 million question marks after that, she put. And it says, come on y'all, support this black queen. And her comment came from a video of mine that it has a lot of views. It's like almost 11,000 views on YouTube, which is my Skims body sculpting review. So that's what she saw, and then saw how many subscribers I have and how many views I have, and was like, it ain't adding up. What are these people doing? And I was like, girl, please say it real loud, very loud, for the people in the back. You're gonna have to subscribe. Don't watch and not subscribe. Boo, we don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. We don't like that. We don't like that. Next comment. Thank you so much, Brittany, for that comment. I love that comment, and you were speaking the truth. Where's the lie? Where's the lie? Okay, next comment is by Miss Tay Rose, and it says, I love how entertaining you are in the midst of trying on lip gloss. The donuts made me hungry. New subby here. This comment really made me laugh because it was from my Maybelline lifter gloss review, and I was really feeling the amber gloss, so I was really doing the most in the video because of that gloss. So that's what she saw, and that's the comment she left, and I really appreciate it. And thank you so much for subscribing. All these people that left these comments are subscribers now, but they were new when they watched this specific video, but now they're subscribers, and I really appreciate that. You helped me get to a certain point. Right now I'm at like, I don't know, 1,066 subscribers, something like that, and I appreciate it. I just love y'all. I love people for really supporting me and being vocal about it. Like, you don't just subscribe and just watch the videos. You like leave comments, you encourage me, so it keeps me consistent, and I absolutely appreciate it. And that's why I love to do this part of my videos, because I don't want it to go unnoticed. You know what I mean? Like, I appreciate everyone that supports me, of course, so I always want to be vocal about it as well. You leave comments about how much you like me, so I'm going to leave you a video and let you know how much I'm feeling you. I mean, I can't do it for everybody at the same time, so that's why this goes on monthly. So I absolutely love it, and I love you guys for supporting me. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, and if you haven't subscribed already, I'll go ahead and wait. And I don't got all night. Hit that button. Don't forget to come back. Tell your friend, tell your friend's friends, tell your friend's baby daddy. Tell all of them. Okay? Be sure to subscribe. I'm not playing with you. You heard what Brittany said. What y'all doing? Support this black queen. Okay? Bye, y'all. Good night.